So the first derived data type is what we call array. Array in JavaScript lets you create and group together data in more interesting ways. An array is just a list of all the JavaScript data values. So let's see an example. This is an example of an array. This is how an array is represented. The next data type is what we call object. In JavaScript, objects are very similar to arrays, but objects use strings instead of numbers to access the different elements. The strings are called keys or properties, and the element key point to the strings are called keys and properties, and the elements they point to are called values. Together, these pieces of information are called key value pairs. While arrays are mostly used to represent lists of multiple things, objects are often used to represent single things with multiple characteristics or attributes. Let's see an example. Let person name Spencer. Address Street 1, Paris, France. Country France. Height, tomato. This is just an example to give you an idea. So to say that in one person you have many kinds of information you can have. This is how an object is represented. So lastly, so this is an example also. You see, another example is like this. Person, first name John, last name Doe, age 50, eye color blue. This is an object. So the last data is what we call a function. A function is a way to bundle code so that it can be reused. Functions allow us to run the same piece of code from multiple places in a program without having to copy and paste the code repeatedly. So this is an example of a function. We call this function, this variable, this is a function. You create a variable inside, or we set a function like this. This is my function. If you like this video, if you like this video, try to like, share and comment. So don't hesitate, if you like this video, think to like, to subscribe, to comment, to share, and the most important thing is to ask questions. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm available to answer you. So peace and love, take care of you, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you very much.